Welcome to Money Mastery Insights. Today, we are talking about one of Warren Buffett's most powerful lessons. Rule number 1, never lose money. If you want to grow your wealth smarter, you're in the right place. Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors in history, and the best thing about him is that his lessons are simple but incredibly impactful. Today, we'll break down what this rule actually means, why Buffett follows it so strictly, and how you can apply it in your everyday financial life. What never lose money really means. Buffett isn't saying that your investments will never go up and down. That's normal. What he means is, avoid making decisions that lead to permanent losses. It's about protecting your money before trying to grow it. Don't take blind risks. Don't follow hype. And don't invest in things you don't understand. Why this rule matters? Buffett's logic. The reason behind this rule is simple. Compounding. If you lose money, you lose time, and time is the most valuable part of compounding. Think of it like this. If you lose 50% of your money, you need a 100% gain just to break even. That's why Buffett focuses first on protection, not profits. When you avoid big losses, your money can quietly grow for years and years. How to apply rule number 1 in real life? 1. Only invest in what you understand. If you can't explain how it works, don't put your money in it. 2. Stay away from hype and fast money traps. If something sounds too good to be true, eat uswa. 3. Think long term. Buffett doesn't chase quick gains. He invests in things he'd hold forever. 4. Build a safety cushion. An emergency fund helps you avoid panic selling your investments. 5. Look for value, not cheap prices. A low price doesn't make something a great investment. True value is what matters. Short story, See's Candies. Here's a quick example of Buffett's. Rule number 1, in action. In 1972, Buffett bought See's Candies for $25 million. It wasn't flashy. It wasn't a hot investment, but it had something powerful. Loyal customers, strong brand, and steady profits. Over the decades, See's Candies has made Berkshire Hathaway over $2 billion. Buffett Josea, simple safe, durable business, never risky one end. That's exactly what rule number 1 is all about. Outro. That's it for today. Insight on Buffett. Rule number 1, never lose money. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Money Mastery Insights for more powerful lessons and smarter money tips. Thanks for watching.